In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change default search engine for the private mode in Safari on an iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to head over to settings and then scroll down until we find Safari. Once you are at Safari settings, right over here you can easily find search engine and the private search engine. If we get into any of these options, we'll be able to set search engine for regular browsing mode and for private browsing mode. All you have to do is just select search engine from that list, and after that, if we head over to Safari and then if we go to a regular browsing mode and if we search for something, we'll be taken to google.com because Google is a default search engine for the regular mode. However, if we go to private mode and if we'll try to search for something, we'll be taken to yahoo.com. That's because we have selected Yahoo as a default search engine for private browsing mode. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.